So you just got a brand new Windows 11 PC and you're wondering how you can get up and running with it. Well, have no fear. I'm here to walk you through the process, and it's probably a lot easier than you think. Let me show you how. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the process. First thing you're going to do is hit the power button. Then you'll select your location. You'll select the keyboard layout or input method. It'll ask you whether you want to add a second keyboard layout. If you do, great. If you don't, just hit skip. Now we need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. You'll put in your password, then click Next. You'll want to review the license agreement and then hit Accept. And you'll name your device. Now let's add your Microsoft account. You can sign in using your email or your current account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by hitting Create One. You can choose to create a new account by your phone number or getting a new email address. I'm going to create a new email address. Now you have an option to add your fingerprint. This is a quicker and more secure way to log in to your Windows PC. Just hit Yes Setup, and then just put your finger on the fingerprint trackpad, and you'll see that it starts tracking your fingerprint. It'll ask you to do it from another angle, and that's it. Choose the privacy settings for your device. And then you can customize your computer. So depending on how you use your computer, you can select these different topics and it will customize the way that your computer looks. If you'd like to use OneDrive, which I always highly recommend, just click Next. If you purchased your Windows PC with the year of Microsoft 365, just click Confirm. If you'd like, you can join Game Pass right here. If you don't, just hit skip for now. You'll want to register, click Next. You'll have the options here to register and protect your PC. Select what's right for you and click Next. Your computer may have a couple updates. This is just letting you know. Just click Next. And there you have it. Your PC is ready to go. In a matter of minutes, you can be up and running, Facebook, streaming your favorite shows, downloading recipes, and so much more. Enjoy your brand new PC.